Okay, worker number one, 7088, start.
Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
10.
10 po.
Yeah.
2,
3,
4, 5,
5, 6,
6,
7.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Please take your seat.
Good afternoon. Please introduce yourself loud and clear.
Good afternoon po, ma'am. I'm JB Casabal, 27 years old, married. I have one children. I graduated in Tanawan Institute with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Criminology. My first work experience is Furukawa Automotive as a manual packaging. And my second work experience is Laurel Piggery Production as a farmer. Thank you, ma'am.
OK，这一位是27岁，然后他已经结婚了，然后有一个小孩，然后他的那个当地工作经验是从2021 8月份到2023 7月份，总共1年11个月，他当那个手动包装人员，然后再来2024 7月份到2025 2月份，总共几个月，他当那个农民，然后养猪。Okay, sir, I will ask you question. 回他。Okay. So do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
No tattoo.
No tattoo.
How about drinking alcohol?
No, ma'am.
No? Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
How about smoking?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Sure, sir, ha? When you come here,
Yes, ma'am.
kailangan walang ganyan, okay? So you're married, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And then with one kid?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you have any surgery before or operations?
No, ma'am.
No surgery?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, sir. So in your work, sir, 2025 to 2026, what are you doing? So you right here 2025 February you already stopped.
Yes, ma'am.
So from 2025 to 2026, what are you doing, sir?
Vendor, ma'am.
Vendor of what?
Vinegar, ma'am.
Vinegar
Yes, ma'am.
in the market.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the vinegar is your own vinegar.
No, ma'am.
Uh,
To
you
my,
you
to my
get
auntie.
from somebody
To my auntie.
or from your
Yes,
auntie. Okay. 好，好了，班长，我问他2025 2月份到2026，他的那个工作是什么？因为他的那个 leader 上面他跟我说，他有帮忙买那个猪，就是他的那个阿姨有从那个猪，然后他帮忙卖，在市场那边卖。Okay, sir, do you have any questions you wanna ask?
no, ma'am.
No. So why do you like to go to Taiwan?
I want to work Taiwan because Taiwan is my dream country and Taiwan is a good payer and highest salary offers. and to help my family needs and to save money for the better mighty future for my family.
Okay, so do you know what is the basic salary for Taiwan right now?
Yes, ma'am.
How much?
29, 29.5 NT.
So do you know the equivalent in peso?
No, ma'am.
No, so that's 50,000 plus. Okay, so if you will be lucky to be chosen to work in Taiwan, you can earn that. So good luck, sir, ha?
Thank
Good
you.
luck.
Thank
Good luck
you.
in your interview.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
thank you very much.
Thank you po.
Okay, thank you very much. Good
Thank you
luck.
po.